SIS presents the plan for the next trimester. Every parent will have the option to choose from two options. The first option will be regular and blended education. The regular education will be from KG1 to grade 8 students, 4 days per week. The blended education will be from grade 9 to grade 12 students, 2 days per week. The second option will be online education for all grade levels. Each grade will have only one dedicated class for the online students to attend the live sessions via Zoom app, so the online student will follow the weekly schedule of this class. But the assignments will be according to the student's original class, not to the class in which the student attends the online session. That means that the class list will not be changed. The live session will be broadcasted from a class with regular students in, so the online student will be just an observer during the whole session. Wednesdays will have remedial classes dedicated to online students. If they have any inquiries, they are welcome to come in person to the school or contact their teachers remotely. We encourage all students to use the Think Central interactive lesson, which provides huge learning opportunities. The Think Central tutorial is attached to this video. Please follow the link. We wish you a happy and safe year.